Hi, I'm Liz, Get Setup's content creator. Have you needed a tool to help you organize your plans or your travels or work together as a team? Are you using resources on the internet that perhaps you want to put together in one place? Well, Padlet could be the tool for you. With Padlet, you'll learn how you can use the tool to put together different links to create travel plans and work together for creating classes or organizing projects with design thinking. You'll understand a bit about the different features and be able to understand how to work together in groups and use the tool for a variety of different tasks, from planning a vacation with your family to how to organize a project where various team members are in different locations, but you want everyone to have access to the same links and resources. So, if you're interested in learning a bit more about how Padlet can help you stay more organized and create shared projects, then notify that you're interested in the class, and we hope to see you in a Get Set Up class soon, and Padlet if you're interested.